Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss Air Jamaica, and we're going to discuss who owns the name Air Jamaica. Now, Jamaica needs a national airline. They need their own airline. With JetBlue 12 billion US dollars in debt, and JetBlue is the largest carrier to Jamaica, I think it's time for Jamaica to set back up an airline, the Jamaican government. Now, Jamaica had an airline called Air Jamaica. Now, we're going to discuss that today, and guys, let us know what you think. But the Jamaican government still owns Air Jamaica. Okay? The Jamaican government still owns Air Jamaica. So if they wanted to set up an airline tomorrow, the Jamaican government could call the airline Air Jamaica. Now, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. But the name Air Jamaica was never sold. They transferred the assets in terms of the planes, etc. But the name, the trademark name Air Jamaica still belongs to the Jamaican government, and they can use it at their discretion. Now, they signed an agreement with Caribbean Airlines when Caribbean Airlines merged or took over Air Jamaica, allowing them to use the name Air Jamaica for a fee, and they would pay that fee annually, and the Jamaican government at its discretion could cancel that agreement. So basically, Caribbean Airlines used the name Air Jamaica. They licensed the name Air Jamaica for 5 years, and then they no longer use the name Air Jamaica, so the contract was never renewed because it was annually. So the Jamaican government never sold the name Air Jamaica. They allowed Caribbean Airlines to pay a fee and use the name, so the Jamaican government could set up an airline tomorrow and call it Air Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The name Air Jamaica still stirs up national pride and nostalgia among Jamaicans at home and abroad. Once the island's national airline and a flying ambassador to the world, Air Jamaica symbolized not just air travel, but the spirit, identity, and aspirations of a proud Caribbean nation. Since its operational closure and absorption into Caribbean Airlines in 2015, many have wondered, can the Air Jamaica name be used again? Legally, the answer is yes, but it requires strategic navigation of intellectual property laws, government policy, and commercial licensing agreements. The Air Jamaica name and logo remain trademark assets of Air Jamaica Limited, the company originally established by the government of Jamaica in 1968 to manage the airline. Let's read that again. The Air Jamaica name and logo remain trademark assets of Air Jamaica Limited, the company originally established by the government of Jamaica in 1968 to manage the airline. Despite ceasing flight operations over a decade ago, Air Jamaica Limited has maintained active trademark registrations in countries like the United States and Jamaica, protecting the commercial rights to the brand. In 2015, following financial losses and restructuring pressures, the Jamaican government negotiated a deal with Caribbean Airlines, the national airline of Trinidad and Tobago, for a merger and brand acquisition. Under this agreement, Caribbean Airlines acquired Air Jamaica's routes, aircraft, and other operational assets. Crucially, Caribbean Airlines was also granted exclusive rights to use the name Air Jamaica, to use the Air Jamaica name and branding for a nominal annual fee of US $5, renewable at the discretion of the Jamaican government. This arrangement allowed Caribbean Airlines to temporarily operate flights under the Air Jamaica brand from 2011 until 2015, at which point it was retired and fully absorbed into the Caribbean Airlines fleet. As of 2025, Air Jamaica does not operate as an airline, and no commercial flights are offered under the name. However, the brand's trademarks remain active, and the Jamaican government, via the Air Jamaica Limited, retains legal control over its future use. This means that with proper licensing, the name can be legally revived either for aviation purposes or for tourism, cultural, or retail branding initiatives. Okay, so alright, let's finish. To use the name again, any interested party, whether private investors, entrepreneurs, or even the Jamaican government itself, would need to secure a license or outright purchase of the intellectual property from Air Jamaica Limited or the relevant government agency. There is growing public interest in reviving the airline. There is growing public interest in reviving the Air Jamaica brand, not just for nostalgia but for national branding, tourism promotion, and potential regional economic benefits. The name Air Jamaica carries global recognition built over decades of advertising campaigns, signature in-flight service, and the colorful tail design featuring the hummingbird. Nevertheless, Jamaica retains full ownership and control of the Air Jamaica brand, a rare and powerful position for a Caribbean nation in a globalized industry. So, let me read it again. Nevertheless, Jamaica retains full ownership and control of the Air Jamaica brand. So, in summary, the Air Jamaica name can be used again, provided proper legal channels are followed. Its trademarks are still owned by Jamaica's government through Air Jamaica Limited, and its cultural and emotional value remains strong both locally and internationally. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So Jamaica never sold the name Air Jamaica. They allowed Caribbean Airlines to use it, and Caribbean Airlines used it for 5 years. So if Jamaica was to set up an airline, they could call it Air Jamaica. If a private entity wanted to set up an airline, they could work out a licensing fee with the Jamaican government and call the airline Air Jamaica. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.